Hey guys, this is Sarah and I am the volume teacher here at Glad Girl. In this video, we're going to be showing you 3 ways on how to create mega volume. Come on in. This first method is known as the pinching method. So you're just going to take the lashes and you give them a little shimmy on the tape to break up the adhesive, and then just give them a pinch and a twist, and voila. Next up, you might have heard of this is called the recline method. It's a little push-pull. You pull it to the right and then press it to the left to open the fan. Now let's talk shimmy. Grab your desired amount of lashes and then just work at them at the base until your fan opens. This method allows a little bit more air room for the base separating, which you can see here. It separates a little bit, which is fixable with a glue dip. So if you're new to making volume fans, I highly recommend making a workstation that you spend like 15-20 minutes a day just practicing with your fans. Practice makes perfect, and just be patient with yourself. Secondly, I highly recommend using longer lashes to learn on, so 12, 13, 14 millimeter. The reason for this is the lashes, when they're longer, you're gonna actually visually see the feedback of your movements and your pressure, and then you can go shorter with the lashes as you get better. So if you have any questions or comments, or if there's any videos you'd like me to make, just let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.